Ready to turn your Blender animation into a folder full of perfect PNGs? Let's break it down. First, head to the Output Properties tab. It's the one with the printer icon. Click the folder icon next to Output and make a new folder for your images. Name your files something like My Number Tees. Blender will add the frame numbers for you. In file format, pick PNG. For regular videos, use RGB. Need a transparent background? Go with RGBA. Set compression low for max quality, and if you want super smooth color, bump color depth up to 16 bits. Under Dimensions, set your start and end frames. Save your file to be safe, then hit Render. Render animation, or press Ctrl plus F12. Blender will now save each frame as a PNG in your folder. Why do this? PNG sequences are reliable, high quality, and super flexible for editing. And if you want a video later, just use Blender's video editor to turn your PNGs into a movie. That's it.